Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your NetSpend account on web browser. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your NetSpend account on your web browser, firstly go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in netspend.com and make a search. It will take you to the official page of NetSpend's account. From the official page, tap on Login at the top right side of the page. You will end up on the login page of NetSpend's account. Now, to log into your NetSpend's account, enter your username and password associated with your NetSpend's account and tap on Login. In case if you want your username to be remembered next time you log in, tick mark on the box that says Remember Username. In case if you don't remember your username or password, click on the link that says Forgot Username or Forgot Password option. This is how you can log into your NetSpend's account on web browser quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.